Hi there, welcome to our video all about cars. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for some basic information, this video is for you. Today, we're going to cover everything from the history of cars to the latest technology and features. So, buckle up and let's get started. Body. First, let's talk about the history of cars. Did you know that the first car was built in 1885 by Carl Benz? It was a three-wheeled vehicle powered by a gasoline engine. Since then, cars have come a long way. Today, there are millions of cars on the road, ranging from compact cars to SUVs and luxury vehicles. Now, let's talk about some of the latest technology and features you can find in cars today. One of the most popular features is the backup camera. This camera provides a clear view of what's behind you, making it easier to park and reverse. Another popular feature is automatic emergency braking, which can help prevent collisions by detecting when you're getting too close to the car in front of you. But it's not just safety features that are getting better. Cars are also becoming more efficient and eco-friendly. Hybrid and electric cars are becoming increasingly popular, offering a more sustainable way to get around. And with the rise of autonomous vehicles, we may soon see cars that can drive themselves. Conclusion. In conclusion, cars have come a long way since the first gasoline-powered vehicle was built. Today, we have access to an incredible range of features and technologies that make driving safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Whether you're looking for a compact car for commuting or a luxury vehicle for long road trips, there's a car out there that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.